Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, today we are going to start the new chapter that is given in your book and scheduled according to the syllabus breakup in this week. So, what is basically that chapter? The chapter is about Visual Studio. Basically, it is a programming language, Visual Basic. Okay. We are going to start a programming language which is called Visual Basic. Now please pay attention and listen carefully, and if you have got any question then you can raise the hand, but first listen carefully what I am explaining you, then you will come towards the questions. Okay, introduction to Visual Basic. Just like we have already gone through the small basic was there in your 6th class syllabus. Then you also studied small basics, loopings and graphics. One chapter was there that you studied in your 7th class, in this class. So now you have enough concepts for programming. Na? You have got enough concepts. Okay, what are loops? What are different things? But the thing over here is that okay, the Visual Basic is basically, word visual is there. It is not that kind of just like small basic. Small basic was a command based language where black color output was there, and the output was not in a graphical environment, it was a dull black environment. But over here it is visual environment. The Visual Basic will provide you a visual environment, graphical environment. So if you go to your page number 66, I have scanned it for you and I am showing it on your screen. Okay, graphics windows will be there, text windows, graphics windows will be there, with which we are going to work in this language. And this language is also the product of which company? Of course, the Microsoft. Acha, Microsoft had given us a suit किसे कहते हैं? What is meant by suit means के a bunch of languages, suit. जैसे ऑफिस सूट है, ऑफिस सूट में क्या होता है? आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट सूट दैट यू वेयर एंड यू गो टू ऑफिस. Office suit is MS Office. What are the things there in the MS Office? Different things are there, in the MS Office. Na? Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So that is an office suite. Similarly, Microsoft has given us a Visual Studio that is called a Visual Studio. It contains many languages: C++, C Sharp, ASP, ADO, different languages are there, different components are there that you can use over there. But right now, in this chapter, we are going to study about the Visual Basic, which is basically one of the component of the Visual Studio. Visual Studio is a heavy software. Okay, heavy software hai ye. It is not a simple software. When you will go to, now see the process, when you will go to the Google and you will write visual download, either I should write free download, Visual Studio Express for 2012 or 13, whatever. Normally 2012 is available. These are the two versions that we have to use. 2013, let's suppose, for Windows. So it is going to show you some different options on your desktop using which you can download it. Okay, just like Visual Studio 2013, this is the link, and I will also give you the picture of the link in your Google Classroom. This is the link: Visual Studio 2013 softonic.com. Through the softonic.com Visual Studio 2013 download, we are going to download it from here. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. Now when you will click on it, so it will ask you to download for your PC, and then when you will click on it, the download will start. I am not clicking it right now. Right now I am not clicking it. Why? Because it is a heavy software I have already installed. Okay, now just listen how we are going to go to the link. I have told you, I will also give you this picture of the link. You will click on it, you will reach on this screen, you will click on the download will start. Okay, how the file will look like, what kind of download file will be there, let me show you. When you will go to the downloads, you will see that visually it will be the such kind of VS 2012. See this file, please see this file. I am showing you in my downloads. VS 2012 underscore VDX underscore ENU is this kind of file will be there. Okay, this is the file that you will get after download. Are you getting this point? When you will get this file after download, you will double click on it. It will take much time. Keep your laptop attached with the power so that the battery should not be over. Keep it attached with the power. When you are running the setup, when you will double click on it, जब आप इसको double click करेंगे, it will show you this file. See here please. It will show you this file window WD Express full. Okay. When you will double click on it, then the installation process will start and it will take time. As I have told you, okay, it is not a simple software. It is comparatively heavy, and you will keep all other applications closed. No audio player should be on. No word processor should be on. No other thing should be going on. Keep it closed so that this software should run effectively. When this will be open, it will ask you to install option will come. But right now, what are the options which are coming over here? It is asking me to uninstall. Why? Because I have already installed it. Or repair, if some error is there, if you want to repair, definitely I'm not going to do it because I have recently installed it. But when you will do this, so you are not going to have uninstall option, you are going to have the option. Which option? Install option. You will click on it and then you will follow the steps and then it will be installed in your PC. This is Visual Studio Express 2012 version. Okay, this is the thing that you need to install. I'm going to close it right now. Acha ji. Are you sure you want to close the setup? Yes, I'm not installing. I have already installed. So it takes almost half hour almost half hour to 1 hour time. Normally, if your PC is slow, then it will be definitely completed in between the 15 minutes to half hour. Acha ji, then how it will look like when you will open it. Now see the steps. I am going to click on the start menu. In start menu, you will type VS after installation. You will see that when I type VS over here, Visual Studio Express, VS for Visual Studio. As I have told you, it contains a number of languages, but we are going to work on one language. We are going to work on one language only. Okay. So let me close this window. Acha ji. So when this will be opened, sorry, where is the Visual Studio? Still the Visual Studio is not open. Let me click on it. Yes. When I will click on it on the Visual Studio, I have also made one icon on my desktop. So it will take some time to be opened. You don't need to worry. First time it will take some time to open. Second time it will be comparatively better. But you have to wait for some time. When you will open, you will see this kind of environment. See over here. Just see over here. Look at this screen. A number of options will be there. These are just URLs to the web links. Ye web links hai. About different tutorials of the languages. Tutorials are there. Their applications, their uses, their advantages. All these things are there. What is new in the Visual Basic, etc., etc. So you don't need to go. These all are, as I have told you, when if you click on any one of them, you don't need to click on them because these all are basically the as I have told you, these all are basically the links to the net. Close them. Acha, here we can see that new project. What you have to do when you are working, you will click on the new project. Just like today, we are going to work on the new project. In the new project, you will see different languages are there over here. See on the left side, installed mein dekhe, in installed. Visual Basic for Windows, Test, C Sharp, C++, Visual Studio Solution. Okay, all these things are there. Some other things are there. So what we are going to do, we are not going to click on C sharp or C++. ये click नहीं होने चाहिए, because otherwise you will have some other language in which you will not be able to program, because we are not studying that particular language over here. You will click on the Visual Basic. It is by default, it is clicked. By default, it is clicked. Visual Basic. Then over here you will see some other options. अब इसमें भी अलग अलग एप्लीकेशंस हैं, अभी हम इसको डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं कि कौन कौन सी एप्लीकेशंस हैं. WPF application, console application, class library. Right now what we are going to do, we are going to do the first one, which is Windows Forms application. Windows Forms application, matlab we are going to look like Windows application. There will be windowing like environment, form like environment, graphical environment. I will click on it. Okay, I will click on it and press OK. Then it will take few seconds and new project will be opened. By default, the project name will be, you can see over here, Windows Application 2. One was there that I already opened. Then Windows Application 1, Windows Application 2, and Windows Application 3. Anytime, whenever you will open, it will give this name, but you can change the name by at the time when you are saving your file. Okay? When you are saving your file, it will change the name. For example, if I go to now you can see this environment. This is the IDE. IDE कहते हैं हम integrated development environment where we are doing programming. Here we have got a form on which we can draw different things. We can increase the size of the form according to our requirement. This is the window where we can see the output. We can reduce the size of the window. We can increase the size of the form according to our wish, according to our requirement. Now those students who have joined us later or who are late, comparatively late, they should see the video that I have told about the installation and complete process. Today's video will be very important for you, that inshallah I am going to upload for you in your Google Classroom. See that video for installation process and all these steps. Okay? Acha ji, now this is the form. Now this is the form on which we can, what I can do a number of things. Okay, on this form I can make complete form. These are the things that we are going to see in our lessons. For example, we start from the beginning. If I want to play, अब अगर हम जैसे small basic में, why I am giving you the reference of small basic, because you have done small basic. If you bring in your mind, what is the run button? Can anyone tell me over here what is the run button? If you bring the small basic in your mind and tell me, can you see any run button over here? Yes, Laiba, you have raised the hand. Laiba, you have raised the hand. I have unmuted your mic. Quickly.
Yes, sir. Say the start button.
The start button. Good. The start button is run button. अच्छा, अभी हमने कुछ नहीं किया. Still we haven't done. Nothing is there on the form. But if we click on the start button, the form will run. You will see the output. ये output आ गया. ये जो output है ना, वो जो पीछे form नजर आ रहा है, the earlier form, it was design view, where we will design. And now this is the form that you can see right now. इसको बड़ा करूँ अगर मैं, ये full हो गया. This is the form that you are seeing on your screen, is basically the form that is giving you the output. Getting this point? अच्छा जी. Now I closed it. अब मैंने stop कर दिया. Close button, cross button भी click किया. When I click on the cross button, the form will be closed. Output will be closed, and you will come or you will return to the design view. This is the design view of your project. Achha ji, what we can do over here? What are the things that we can apply over here? If you see over here, yeah, property window is there. Can you see this property window? Properties are there that we can set over here quickly. It is not like small basic. Small basic may you had to write code to change the color, background color, foreground color, line color, etc., etc., etc. But over here you can do these all things quickly. If this window is not visible to you, let's suppose if I close it. Now you are saying, okay, sir, where is properties window? What we can do? We can right click on the object and we can go to properties. Right click on the object and go to properties. Properties will be visible to you. Normally the property window is shown at the down right corner of your screen. Getting this point? अच्छा जी, now click the form. जो object click करेंगे, then that properties will be shown. ठीक है? Now click the form and go to the back color. Now see over here properties. Keep your cameras closed, please. Keep your cameras closed. Back color. If I go to the back color and I change the color of the form, any good color I want to have, let's suppose sky or blue. Okay, I like this color. For example, I take this color. This is the back color I have changed now. Getting this point? Similarly, what is the name of the form right now that you can see over here? Form 1. क्या लिखा हुआ है? The name of the form is Form 1. So similarly, we can find out how this Form 1 is written. What is the name of the form right now? So name of the form is right now Form 1. So we can change it. देखिए अभी मैंने क्या किया, Form 1 को क्लिक किया, यहाँ पे form लिखा हुआ है. For example, if I write over here, first form. फर्स्ट फॉर्म टेक्स्ट है, ये टेक्स्ट. नेम चेंज नहीं किया, वी हैवंट चेंज द नेम. टेक्स्ट टाइटल इज नाउ फर्स्ट फॉर्म. फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज रिटन इन द टाइटल. नाउ आई हैव चेंज द टाइटल. So these are the things that we can change from here. We can change from here. We will see these all properties with the passage of time. Now, what are the things that we can draw on our forms? What are different things that we can draw on our forms? Go to the toolbox. ये देख रहे हैं आप? See over here in the corner, left corner, left corner, toolbox and data source. These are the two things, toolbox and data source. Click on the toolbox. इसको click करना है. Toolbox. In the toolbox, when you will click on it, you will see different tools are available. All the tools are not there in our syllabus. We are not going to cover them, but the major tools which are used most commonly, we are going to cover them. Okay? Just like you would have seen the label. Label का मतलब है when you are going to give some heading. For example, I click on it and I go over there and I draw some label over here. Can you see this label? Okay, this is the label in which you can write some text. Now this is the label. That I have drawn on my screen. How can I change its color? I click this label, I go there and I find out the color. Back color is blue. I can change the label color in any other color, just like I have taken here, this color. Okay. Okay. Now if I want to write, don't double click any object. If you will double click any object, you will reach to the coding. Right now we are not doing any coding. What did I do? By mistake, I double clicked it. When I double clicked it, I went to the coding. Achha, now no, you don't need to worry where I am, what I am doing, what is this. So you will just close this. Okay. इसको क्या करोगे आप? ये कोडिंग है. This is coding. Form1.vb. .vb is coding. Okay. Form1.vb design. This is design. So this is the color of the form that I have changed. Now if I want to type some other text, for example, if I write over here my form, ठीक है, कहाँ टाइप किया मैंने? I selected this label, I went to the properties, I found the text option, and I typed here my form. You can type your name or any other thing. Similarly, you can go to the toolbox. You can take, for example, find out the text box. This is the text box. Okay, and draw a text box over here. I have drawn a text box over here. This is the text box. Okay, text box is the box in which you can type. इसमें हम कुछ लिखते नहीं है. In which when you will run it, you can type in it. Text box. ठीक है. For example, take a label. Label ले रहा हूँ मैं इधर, and I draw a label over here with the name. No need to double click the label. I click the label and I type over here name. Okay, and I place this name over there. अच्छा जी. Then I go to another text box. I draw another text box for you and I place his name. Then I am going to take another label. I am going to type over here class. Okay. When you draw a label, by default text property is selected. So when you will type, it will be automatically typed as the label title, label text. Okay, class. If you want to change these colors, name is in black. Select the label and go there in the fore color, not back color. Back color is basically the blue color option. So you can go there and you can go there and you can select any other color. For example, if you want to have the text in the blue, and for example, if I say okay, back color should be back color should be white, let's suppose. Okay, let's suppose I'm saying, or any color you can change and take any color that you like, any good color that you want to. For example, back color I want to have black, and the text color I want to have four color. Change the four color option, where you will have to find out the four color option. Where is the four color matlab the front color, text color. Four color I want to have in white, and back color in black. Now if I click on the start button, now see, now you can see that the form is running. Type the name, your name over here. For example, Ahmad, all the girls are there. So I'm writing Aisha Khan, for example, class 7th. So this is the text box in which you can type, but in over there on the name and class, you cannot type. Why? Because this is not text box, this is label, this is only heading, this is only caption, this is only a title that you are giving. Okay. My form, you cannot type on it. Why? Because it is not a text box, it is a label. You can type a long label, for example, Pakistan School Muscat, you can type over here. For example, if I draw another label, okay, and I say okay, this is basically Pakistan School Muscat. Let me change the text. Okay, Pakistan School Muscat is being shown over here. अच्छा, if you want to make the size increased, मैं इसको heading बनाना है मुझे. I want to make it heading bold and some different kind of. You can see over here different portions are there: accessibility, appearance. Find the font options. Now these are the font options. Go there, font option. Go to the font option. Select bold. Increase the size, whatever the size that you want to give. 18. Okay. Okay. Bold. What will be the font design that you want to have? Okay. This design, fine. If you want to change the color, I have already told you text color will be changed by the four color option. Four color. Four matlab, four color matlab text color. The text color option is there. You can choose from here and you can give any good color that you want to give. Anyway, black is I think good, and we can give such kind of heading over here. If you want to delete, for example, if I want to delete this my form, I don't need it. I don't need it. Right click on it, find that delete is there. Delete is there. Click on it. It will be deleted. I don't want that form one heading. Similarly, what you will do? You will take name, class, address, father's name, email address, all text boxes you can draw over here. So before going towards the next things, let me mark the attendance, then I will take the questions. Acha ji, from Abila Ali to Mehak Khalid and up to Musfira Akram. Just a minute. It is not marked. From Abila Ali to Meher Khalid and then Musfira Akram. अच्छा जी. Good. So up to here, अब यहाँ तक. If you have got any question, the things that I have explained you, how to open them, because now I have to go towards the book reading. This is the book reading that I am going to do. So please ask me the questions because we have to cover some topics. Kindly, quickly ask the question if you have any question. Laiba Khan. Yes, Laiba, quickly. Loudly, Laiba.
मुझे वो नहीं समझ आया जब आपने बताया था कि हम लोग लेबल के अलावा कैसे बना सकते हैं जिसमें हम लोग लिख सकते हैं.
Text box. That is the text box option. Go to the toolbox, find here where is the text box, where is it? Here is the text box. This is the text box. You can take and you can draw for any length.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Anything else? It means all these students are clear about all the things that we have discussed. Important thing in today's lesson is basically the installation process, because first you need to install, and it is, I have already told you, comparatively a heavier software, but you have to make some space in your PC. You have to see that some other extra softwares are there, then you have to uninstall them and you have to install it according to the given instructions that I have already told you. Yes, please. Any other question? No question? Good. Come to the book reading, page number 67. Graphical user interface. What is meant by graphical user interface? Who will tell me what is meant by GUI? Small basic was GUI? Raise the hand. What is meant by graphical user interface? Irha Hamid has raised the hand. Irha. Yes, please. I have unmuted your mic. Yes, you have raised the hand. I am not able to listen to you.
Sir, question क्या था?
What is meant by GUI, graphical user interface?
Sir, we can create programs in that.
Programs are there, but programs are in graphical manner. Just like today we have created this program, when I am running it, graphical manner is there. Why? Because form-like structure is there. Window-like structure is there. Text boxes are there. Similarly, captions are there. Similarly, when we will study some more things, then we will see some other options. Pictures, we can insert pictures quickly. Okay. So these all options are there that we can do over here. Okay. So small basic was not graphical user interface. Small basic was basically a procedural language. It was basically a procedural language where you were writing instructions and accordingly you were able to see the outputs. Getting this point? So what is meant by GUI? GUI software uses windows, icons, buttons, menus, dialog boxes, etc. You can insert pictures, you can draw shapes, etc. etc. Getting this point? So event driven programming. Event driven का मतलब क्या है? We can apply event. We can apply event. For example, if I go to the toolbox, I can take button. See the button. This is the button. Just like in Windows, you see the buttons. Okay. If we have now 10 minutes left in this class, if I click to this button, if I go there and I change its name, अब मैं इसका नाम बदल देता हूँ. For example, if I click the text, यहाँ पे इसका text क्या आ रहा है? Button. If I go to the text option, button 1 लिखा हुआ आ रहा है ना, इसका नाम रख देता हूँ मैं close button. If I write it close button, see here. Now if I run it, see. If I run it, close button is there. But it is not closing the file. It is not closing the form. इस पे मैं click कर रहा हूँ, form close नहीं हो रहा है. Why? Because there should be some code behind this button that will give the instruction to the interpreter to close this form. But right now button is working. The button is working, but button is not doing anything. Button is clicking, but it is not doing anything. How it will do work? When I double click the button in design view, where in the design view, where we are designing things over here. If I double click the button in the design view, I will reach the code. I will see some code over here. I will write where my cursor is. I will write end. क्या लिखा मैंने यहाँ पे? End क्या है? End is basically the statement which closes a process which is continued. Just like the form that we are going to run, it will close the form. Getting this point? It will close the form. मैंने यहाँ सिर्फ ये टाइप किया end. Now if you go to the design view, ये दो views आ रहे हैं, coding view and design view. Coding view and design view. Now I go to the coding view, design view, and I click on the start button. Now I'm running this form, but now when I will click this close button, it will work. Why? Because now I have written one code behind it, which is end. देखिए close हो गया. When I clicked on it, form closed. Why? Because now it is working. This form is working now. Getting this point? Yes, Laiba, quickly. We have less time.
Sir, I want to ask something. Sir,
Yes.
when we are designing it, so there will be the format tab already, or we have to add it?
Which tab?
Sir, the form 1 tab.
This will be already. When you take a new file, this comes in the beginning. When I took the file, the form was there, you know. One small form was there in this way, and I made it longer. Remember? You will see in the video. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good. Yes, anyway. So how we can code? By double clicking. Just like I double click this button and I typed over here and so now the button is now coded. Okay, getting this point. How we can take, for example, picture, for example, giving another example quickly. How we can take picture? Find out the option, find out the control using which we can take a picture. Is there any option using which we can take a picture? So we will have to find it out. Picture box. This is the picture box. Are you able to see? When I click on it, I draw one picture over here. Getting picture box is there. It is, keep in mind, it is only a box, picture box. When I click this picture box, I need to have a picture in it. I want to have a picture in it. How I can have a picture in it? I will select it. Keep in mind, when you select the object, you see its properties. When I select this box, this is text box 1, so it is showing me text box 1. This is text box 3, it is showing me text box 3. This is command button 1, it is showing me button 1. This is label 2, this is label 3. So when I click this picture box, it is showing me picture box 1. I will select the picture box and I will go to which option? This option, image option. This is the most important option of the image, picture box. Now from here you can insert a picture in it. Click on it, bring the picture. Where you can bring the picture? ये कह रहे हैं project resources or local resources. From where you want to have local resources, मतलब you will go to the import button and you will find out some picture from your computer. For example, I take this picture. This is a picture and I click OK. ठीक है? The picture is now in my picture box. But what is the problem right now with the picture? When I inserted one picture in my picture box, there is some problem with the picture. What is the problem? No one. Problem is there, na? With the picture, the complete picture is not visible. The complete picture is not visible. So how we can overcome this problem? How we can overcome this problem? We will click the picture box and we will find out some property in the picture box. We would like to find out some property using which we can show the complete picture. Okay, complete picture in the picture box. So for that purpose, we will go to the image options by clicking these image options, and we will find out picture mode, size mode. This is size mode. Go to the size mode and click on the stretch image. Stretch image कर देंगे इसको. अगर हम नॉर्मल लेंगे पिक्चर बड़ी है, पिक्चर पूरी नहीं आ रही. But if you go to the stretch image, then complete picture will be in small size and will come in the box. अब हम अगर बॉक्स को बड़ा या छोटा करेंगे, पिक्चर will be change accordingly. Getting this point? Now the picture will be change accordingly. बहुत important चीज थी. It was a very important thing. Now run it. No error. There are very less errors in the Visual Basic. You know, because GUI environment is there. All the things that we are doing by setting the properties of the objects and drawing the objects on the form. So there are comparatively less errors as compared to the procedural programmings. Acha ji, up to here, if you have got any question, because we have less time now. If you have got any question, please ask me. Anything that you want to ask? Nothing? It means all the things are clear to all of you. Aisha Ishaq. Yes, please.
सर वो मुझे पूछना था कि अभी कोई भी अगर हम पिक चूज भी करते हैं तो उस पिक के हवाले से हमें लिखना पड़ेगा इसके अंदर नेम क्लास वगैरह.
No. This is not the case. No. This is not the case. It is not a good perception. Draw any picture. इसका कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है इसके साथ. The picture is not has any link with any of the object. No. Take any picture. Go to toolbox. Take picture box. Draw it. For example. ठीक है. Draw it.
Okay, sir.
Go to the which option I had told you, image option. Go to the
Yes,
image
sir.
option. Go to local resources. You have got any picture in your PC. Take any picture. And just I have taken any picture over there. Okay. So you can take any of the picture over here and then you can insert it.
Okay,
Any of
sir.
the that you want to have, you can insert it.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So that picture will come.
Yes, sir.
The picture is not completely visible. So what you
Yes,
will
sir.
do with property, I have already told you. Which property you are going to set? You are going to set the mode. Okay.
Yes,
Size
sir.
mode. Size mode में हम कर देंगे stretch. Complete
Scratch.
picture will come in this way. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, anything else that you want to ask, because we have now 1 or 2 minutes left. I hope you will be able to do all these things, inshallah. But the important thing is that the installation, you have to accomplish the installation, inshallah. Okay? And if you have got any question, because we have got 1 minute now, so you can ask. Otherwise, thank you so much. I will upload the video of the lesson, inshallah, so that you can see the installation process that I have explained. Thank you so much.